Howdy and welcome back to the channel. Tonight we're going to be testing two different UV lights on the rock pile out back. We're going to use this little one that I've had for years, and then we're going to bump it up and compare it to the big one that I got for my wife for my birthday, and we're going to see how they compare. So let's go ahead and get right into it. So I've got this big flashlight to kind of show you guys what piles we're going to be looking at. So we're going to go this way. It's like a torch. It's a big flashlight. I'll flip you around here. So that's the pile of agate, jasper, and miscellaneous. Got some carnelians down there. That's the pile of petrified wood. We got thunder eggs, we have nodules, and then obsidian way down there at the end. So I'm gonna turn off this. Okay, we're gonna start off with this little black light here. So we're gonna start with the petrified wood pile because a lot of these will fluoresce. So you gotta find one that does, noticeably anyway. Got one down there. There's actually a lot that fluoresce, but this little light doesn't do a very good job. Oh, that one does. Right there. So, there's a lot back there that also fluoresce. And we're going to pull out the UV beast light. And look at the difference. A lot of them glow. That's so cool. So that red that you see is actually like moss that's growing on petrified wood. But the orange and yellows and white, those are all fluorescent colors. There's so many in this pile, it's crazy. Those ones are really bright. Especially that one. So there's a thunder egg I want to compare to. So again, we're going to use the little light. It looks kind of cool. Looks different in person than it is on camera. Okay, so this is the little one, and this is the UV beast light. Big difference. That looks so cool. Check out this coconut. It doesn't look natural, but it's so cool. And there's also a really cool agate nodule over here. You can see it right there. It really glows. That's so cool. So cool. And got some other things glowing here in the bucket. I should polish that up one of these days. It's already cut. This light is awesome. My wife is awesome for buying this for me for my birthday. Here we have some of the Brazilian agates. That's really cool. So cool. Oh. That's cool. And then check out this really cool big limb cast. Just glows. Glows blue. That is so cool. Nice. I'm gonna come check out the agate pile and see what we can. Ooh, right off the bat. Look at that. Wow. That's so cool. What's really interesting is this one right here. My camera's picking it up, but I don't see that color. Huh. But that is so cool. Ooh, another one. Really bright. Wow. Ooh, that one's really bright. It looks like it's lit from underneath. It's not, though. Oh, there's so many colors in here. That's cool. I don't know what that is. Take it inside and look at it. See what it really is. Okay, we're in the rock room right now. We're going to check out some of the rocks in here with the UV light and see how they look. Here's that cool slab from outside. What it looks like in normal light. You wouldn't think that it would glow like that, but yeah, you never know. You never know. It's a huge difference. It's so cool. And then here's that amber that Yerrick over there from Amberscape sent me. I'll just leave it in the container. I don't have to dump it out. But yeah. This stuff really glows. I'll go ahead and dump it out. And turn off this light while I'm at it. Boom. I mean, it really glows. So there are a few rocks in this collection that really do stand out. Of course, I need to come through here in dust because everything's covered in dust. See here. So here's some of the rocks that I got from other fellow YouTube channels. And it flourishes a little bit. Different colors. Ooh, a little bit there. Yeah, sorry, stuff is a little dusty. That's so cool. This, I believe. Yes. So, light is on it, light is off. That's so cool. Ooh. Shuts down. Gosh, just want to focus. The Druzy Quartz from Missouri. That's so cool. This stuff also does the same thing. Take it away. Oh, it's so cool. It's so mesmerizing. Take it away. Cool. It does a little bit. Huh. That glows. Nice bright orange. That glows a little bit. Ooh, it does too. Huh. Interesting. Oh yeah, okay. So that one there in the back, that is a amethyst top of a scepter, and there's this part on the inside that glows. Right there. That's pretty neat. What else? Anything up here? Not really, not really. That one does glow because it's fluorite. That's so cool. See anything on here? Oh, opals. So, the one on the left is a Spencer, Idaho opal. The one on the right is an Ethiopian opal. Watch this. The Idaho opal glows for a long time. That's really cool. Let's see here. Dusty shelves. But still, not the point. The point is cool rocks. It does a little bit. None of the obsidian will glow. I'm not worried about those ones. Now there is a couple on the shelf I know that do glow. Got adamite, which glows green. I forgot the name of that one, but it's an interesting one for sure. And then this one. This one also phosphoresces, which means if you take the light off of it, I'll have like an afterglow, which is so cool. I think that one's one of my favorites for sure. Let me know what you think. Cool agate there. Nothing else really glows on the shelf here. Oh, that one does. Desert rose, a little bit. Got some agates there that glow. That one glows. That one glows too. That one definitely glows. And that one too. A little bit there too. Not, oh yeah. And yep, that one for sure. That one's so cool. That's found near Brownsville, Oregon. That one too. Oh gosh. Oh, that one's my favorite. Yeah, that's cool. And then we got that one. Guess what color that is? It's pink. It just glows green. That's glass. That one's glass. The one there in the back is opal. And then can see you have viewport lights. And then we got some more opal right there. And then we got some Buchanan eggs. And a couple uncut Buchanan eggs. And we got my fossil shelf here. Flashlight's getting a little hot. So this one does that phosphorescent afterglow. But a lot of these fossils do glow. Especially the fishies. Hello, fishies. So cool. And guess what color the dino bone is? It's actually like, I think that one's red. Either way, it looks really cool. Then you have the play button back there. Dinosaur bone. Dinosaur bone. And we got here a couple clamshells. We got the pooping gnome. And we got some fossilized dino poo. Fossil leaves. Dinosaur bone. A bunch of fossil shark teeth. Dino bone. Whale bone. Oh wait, I forgot to say this side over here. And we got a mangrove lobster, dino bone, petrified wood, bunch of fossilized pine cones, trilobites, a little shrimp, piece of amber. And I got some, oh gosh, I forgot the name of those agates, but a bunch of agates. And, ooh, so that's an Australian thunder egg. I would not have expected it to be green. That's cool. That's really cool. Jesse, if you're watching this, I hope you watch this. Your thunder eggs for us. But yeah, this is really cool. I need dust. Oh gosh, this is so cool. And then down here is just kind of the empty shelf, kind of. These are just fillers. So I can put some other stuff in here. But yeah, this is so cool. Those are the pectins that Karen gave me when we met up over there in Newport. And then we have Fossilized woods. Got Luigi. Look at these ones. Oh, there's a bright one right there. Yeah, I need dust. Really bad. Either way, it's still pretty cool. That one really glows. It's a blue forest, Wyoming, petrified wood. That one glows. Cool. One thing to know about this flashlight, it does get pretty warm if you use it for long periods of time. This actually cooled down a little bit. I stopped using it, but it was pretty warm. Like I was actually getting like 104 degrees. And so it's been sitting for like a minute. But it's still worth it. I mean, you gotta think there's a lot of power that's going into this thing. Because these are pretty big rechargeable batteries. But yeah. Even though the UV light does get overheated from long periods of use, that's still okay. That's what it does because it's using a lot of power to actually power that light. Even for like the big box lights that they typically use at shows, those get pretty hot too, so that's not a concern. I do want to give a shout out to Jared over there at Currently Rockhounding, who inspired me to put this on my wish list. That way I can add this to my arsenal of tools here in the shop. It's been a great addition, and if you want to know more about it, go check out that video that he did. It's more in depth. He had more science behind it. I'm just showing off cool rocks. So go check out that video, and that's going to do it for today. Thanks for stopping by, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Rock on.